कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलम्। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। जयत्याश्रितसन्त्रास ध्वान्तविध्वंसनोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमव्योमभास्करः परमव्योमभास्करः।
श्रीमते निगमान्त महादेशिकाय नमः। In the Ramayanam series, in Yuddha Kandam, in its Upanishadic portion called the Vibhishana Sharanagati, we are at the peak. While Sugriva, Jambava and Angada did not recognize the Dharmatma Vibhishana's bhakti, rather said that he should be arrested, he is a traitor, he has come with a poisoned mind. There was a Hanuman, Anjaneya Swami, who said that Vibhishana has to be accepted into our fold. He is not bad. He spoke of Dharma Shastram while even I was there. Rama patiently heard this. Then he said, even if Vibhishana has come in the garb, in the disguise of a friend, I shall accept him. Mitra bhavena samprata natyajeyam kathanchana. If need be, I can use even my nails to win over Lanka and Ravana. Angulya grenatan hanyar icchan hariganeshwara. While it's giving a feeling that we have to accept Vibhishana, Rama cites many verses of the sage Kandu. It's called Kandu Gatha. And in that Kandu Gatha, he states that there is no prayaschittam to abandoning a person who is seeking asylum. While giving such statements, he does talk about 4 episodes. 1, on the hunter with the birds. 2nd, of a tiger, a brahmana and a bear. 3rd, Shivi Chakravarti and the birds. 4th, Lord Shiva drinking halahalam, kalakutam, stating that there are many precedents even where amongst birds and animals the Sharanagati Dharma has applied. Why not to us? After stating this, Rama states that we have to walk in the path laid by our Purvacharyas. I am not doing anything which is new. I am not going tangential to what the Shastras say. I am walking in the same path as that of our Purvacharyas. There is one shloka which our Purvacharyas time and again quote, which is from the Yaksha Prashnam of Sri Mahabharatam as recited by Yudhishthira. Tarko apratishta shrutayo vibhinna naiko muniryasya matnam pramanam dharmasya tattvam vihitam guhaya mahajano yena gatassa pantha. Logical reasoning at times could be not so convincing. Rishis may also have some conflicting views. In such a scenario, Mahajano yena gatissa panthaha, take the route taken by our Purvacharyas. Rama now says, I am respecting the words of Kandu. Karishyami yathartam to kandorvachanam uttamam dharmishtam cha yashasyam cha swargyam syatut tu phalodaye. I will respect the words of Kandu. Vedanta Deshika summarizes Rama's big delivery. He puts that in one verse. दीनो दृप्यतु वा पराध्यतु परं व्यावर्ततां वावततः त्रातव्यः शरणागत शकुनतः सद्भिस्ततः स्थाप्यते विश्वामित्र कपोतवानर रघु व्योमाध्वग प्रेयसीं नाळीजंग बृहस्पति प्रभृतिर्न नन्देश घंटापथः. He lists down those references which Rama has given in support of accepting Vibhishana. Now, Rama gives abhayam to Vibhishana. He says, don't worry. I am there to give you refuge. While saying so, please note all the astikas you have been listening for so many months together. Here is the butter that has come to our hands. What has Rama finally spoken? Final. What is his clear-cut words? Final words. That is called as Charama Shlokam. Charama Shlokam means what the deity says clearly, what Paramatma says clearly. There are 3 Charama Shlokas which are revered in Sanatana Dharma. The first is a set of 2 shlokas mentioned in the Varaha Puranam. In Varaha Puranam, when the Lord incarnated as Bhuvaraha, he mentions this to Bhuma Devi. Sthite manasi susvasthe, sharire satiyo naraha, dhatu samye sthite smarta, vishwarupam cha mam ajam, tatastham mriyamanam tu kasthapashana sannibham, aham smarami madbhaktam nayami paramam gatim. These are the 2 shlokas clearly spoken by Varaha to Bhuma Devi. This is called Varaha Charama Shlokam. This comes in the Varaha Purana. Next is Rama Charama Shlokam, which we are going to discuss now. This comes in Srimad Ramayana. The third is Krishna Charama Shlokam, which forms the 66th verse of the 18th chapter in the Bhagavad Gita, which is a part of Sri Mahabharata. It is Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarvapapebhyo mokshayishyami mashuchaha. So, though that shlokam is called Krishna Charama Shlokam, found in Mahabharata. 2 shlokas spoken previously is Varaha Charama Shlokam spoken in the Varaha Purana. Now we are going to discuss the Rama Charama Shlokam spoken in the Ramayanam. What Rama clearly said. So, Astikas, please pay attention. Sakrideva prapannaya tabasmiti chayachate abhayam sarva bhutebhyaha dadamye tadvratam mama. This shloka, these 2 lines is referred to as Rama Charama Shlokam. Very important. What did Rama hear? He listened to Angada, Sugriva, Jambavan who said, Vibhishana is bad. He should not be accepted. 2 parts to the statement. Vibhishana is bad. He should not be accepted. What did Hanuman say? Vibhishana is good. He should be accepted. Rama combined the both. Even if Vibhishana is bad, I will accept him. So the shloka says, Sakrit. Sakrit means once. Sakrit eva prapannaya. Prapanna, the one who does Sharanagati. Why can we do Sharanagati? I can do Sharanagati to Paramatma for the water to come in my house tap. I can do Sharanagati for that also. I can do Sharanagati so that my child can study well. Draupadi did Sharanagati to get Vastram so that she doesn't get humiliated. Sharanagati can also be done for moksha, like what Vibhishana is doing. So the purpose can be anything. But Sharanagati can be performed, but for one purpose you have to do Sharanagati only once. This year I do Sharanagati so that my son passes the exam well. Next year also I do so that he passes well. No. Sakrit. Use this as a Brahmastram weapon. Sakrit eva prapannaya, to the one who performs Sharanagati, saying what? I said it could be for any purpose, but what is the best purpose? Tavasmiti cha yachate. This Jivatma is yours. I am yours. Tavasmi iti cha yachate, the one who begs, saying that this Jivatma is yours, O Paramatma, Sakriteva Prapannaya Tavasmi iti cha yachate, to that person, Rama tells before the entire Vanara Sainyam keeping Hanuman, Sugriva, Jambavan, Angada, so many people as witnesses. Abhayam Sarva Bhutebhyaha. To that person I'll say, don't worry. Sarva Bhutebhyaha. Whether it is a man, woman, whether it is a person from Bharata, outside Bharata, whether that person belongs to Brahmana Jati, Vaishya Jati, Kshatriya Jati, Shudra Jati, whether that person need not be a human being, even an animal, Sarva Bhutebhyaha. To the entire universe, even if one part of it asks Sharanagati, Abhayam Sarva Bhutebhyaha, I will say, don't worry, I am there for you. Dadami Yetan, I will give them refuge. Why? Vratam Mama. This is my vow, this is my pledge, says Rama. So why did Rama have this intent? Because Sita's presence is always there in him. If you remember, we had a question. Vibhishana received the grace of Rama. Did he receive the grace of Sita? Yes. When Vibhishana left from Lanka to Bharata, Sita asked Trijata, who is that person who's going? She says, this is my father. This has been told by our Purvacharyas that she tells, this is my father Vibhishana going to Bharata seeking asylum at your husband's feet. Sita looked at him. She graced him. Because Sita's grace fell on Vibhishana, later Rama accepted him. So, Abhayam Sarvabhutebhyaha Dadamyetat Vratam Mama. Then those Vanaras had a question. Vibhishana has come, so you are accepting. Let's say tomorrow morning Ravana's mind changes and he comes. Will you accept him? Rama says, Anayainam Harisreshtha Dattamasya Bhayam Maya Vibhishano va Sugriva Yadiva Ravana Swayam. If it is Sugriva who asks, I will give him Abhayam. If it is Vibhishana who asks, I will give Abhayam. Even if Ravana asks, I will give him Abhayam. Vedanta Deshika summarizes this conversation. Sharanagata Rakshana Vratimam Navihatum Ranapungavarhasitvam Viditam Bhuvane Vibhishanova Yativa Ravana Ityudviritam Te. Even if Ravana comes, I will accept him. So saying, Rama says, I shall accept Vibhishana into our fold. And you know what is the beauty? Sugriva now says, Rama, I knew very well from that time itself. This Vibhishana looked like a good man. I had some doubts, you have cleared. Thank God you have accepted Vibhishana. Vibhishana, come here. You're our friend. Come here this side. See, this is how people also change their views. When the strong man, the leader says something very clearly, the followers will have no doubts at all. They will have to accept that person. Mama chapyantaratmanam shuddham vetti vibhishanam anumanascha bhavacha sarvataha suparikshitaha. Now Vibhishana was accepted into that fold. Vibhishana comes with tears rolling down his cheeks. Rama embraces him and accepts him. But he has to give some gift in return. See, whenever the younger ones fall at the feet of the elder ones, they will at least give that 1 rupee coin, 10 rupee note, something they have to give. If Vibhishana is falling at the feet of Paramatma incarnate Rama, what will Rama give in return? That's something very surprising that we are going to see in the next episode. Dear Astika reader, I am happy to be authoring a 2-part book on the Ramayana in English. The first part is slated for release in the year 2024. The book aims to recreate and retell the Ramayana of Valmiki, conforming to the ancient commentaries and other allied literature. To receive notifications of the book release, kindly register with www.deshikadaya.org/books. Namaskaram.